Hi guys, in this video you're going to discover how to make money online only by typing words. Alright, so this is 100% free method. You don't even need to invest anything upfront. There's no credit card required, no experience or no skill at all. So literally if you are newbie, you can actually make money with this method. Alright, so before we start, I just want to invite you to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell notification as well, and give this video a thumbs up if this type of content is your jam. Right, so without further ado, let's dive right into our content. So by the way, before we start, I just want to brief you out why would someone actually wanted to pay you around 100 to 400 or even $500 only by typing words. So this is actually a squad help. So squad help is actually a website that provides a business owner to have their business name, right? So why this is so important to all these business owner? Because business name is part of the branding, right? As you can tell, branding is very important in business. So people could literally make a purchase or buy any product because of the brand instead of the quality of the product itself, right? So that is why all these business owner, they know how important the business name, because it is part of their branding. That is why they are willing to pay you around 100 to $500 only by give them a business name, right? So I hope it makes sense to you. So this is the website. You can simply get sign up and it's totally free. There's no investment or credit card needed. All right, so what you need to do next is just go to active contest. So we're going to browse the contest that are available. So this is all the list for the contest available, and as you can see here, you can literally make money $1,000 only by give the professional name for business turnaround and performance improvement company, right? So this is for construction and architecture. You're going to earn 300. This one over here 300, this contest over here 300, this one 300, and the list goes on and on. So this is very powerful way, and this is, I think, the easiest way on how to make money only by typing name online, right? So you don't even need to have any experience or certificate. You can literally make money online from home. Okay, so now let's take a look at the winners here. You might wondering whether this method is actually work. So we're going to take a look at the proof. We're going to see how many people are actually currently making money with this method. Take a look at this person over here has won 300, this one 135, 100, this one 100, 200, 135, and the list goes on and on. So just take a look at this person over here. This is clickable, by the way, so you can literally click on the person to actually see how much money that person has made so far, right? So take a look at this one, Irinel profile, right? So Irinels, I hope I pronounced it right. Take a look how much this person has earned, guys. 23,000, right? 23,585. That is insane amount of money, considering that this person just typing online, typing name, brand name online, right? So this is all the portfolio for this this person. Just take a look another person, for example this one over here, and you can literally take a look how many percent as possible. Okay, so this person here already won 4,000. So, and this guy over here won 60,000. So he is making 60,000 already, right? So if you scroll down, you can see all the contests that this guy has been participated, and contest won, and etc, right? So this is very powerful stuff, guys. Okay, so this is the list of contests. If you want to participate, you can actually sort by the industry or by the category. Maybe you have some category that you are familiar with, so you can actually sort it by this one, right? So this is by industry. Okay, so now it's come to how to get the idea of the business name. So it is very simple. What you need to do, you just need to head off to the Google and type in business name generator, and you can see bunch of product or websites or apps that are available to help you generate the business name, right? So we have the Shopify here. So I just type in previously supplement. So this is bunch of supplement business name ideas that you can choose from, right? So you can also use a business name generator. So this is also the name available for this particular business name, which is supplement. And if you want to use all below, you can do it as well. So just type in the business name that you desire, then you can actually get a bunch of them down here, right? So that is basically what it is. how to make money on online by only typing words. Okay, so I hope guys you got some value throughout this video, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you get some value, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So I really appreciate your time. Thank you for watching my videos. See you in my next video. Bye bye.